Thanks for stopping by the Vast Voice. Vast Voice is a series that's provided to you by vastsolutionsgroup.com, where we do tax, finance, and artificial intelligence to help the entrepreneur. This is a free content episode outlining specifically today something near and dear to many an entrepreneur: tax deductible items. A lot of people forget about home office expenses, and there is the element of tax deductibility to them. Now, my name is Kenneth French. I'm an executive with the company at vastsolutionsgroup.com. I'm also the chief investment officer for Vast Holdings Group, and a lot of our clients, a lot of our entities with which we deal, they have no clue that there's a lot of items that a small business owner can deduct, and specifically we're talking about home office expenses. Let's get right to it. In order to write off your phone expenses, you'll need to operate separately your home line from your business line. If you're seeking a landline phone, yeah, they still have those. You can score a deal for about, $30, $50 a month. However, you can also get a second line for your cell phone in order to offer you more flexibility as to when and where you take business calls. An affordable alternative to a landline would be, let's say as an example, that MagicJack. It costs about $40, as I understand it, for the initial purchase of the device, and then recurring costs of approximately about $20 a year thereafter. MagicJack operates under what's called a VOIP system, or Voice over Internet Protocol. Therefore, you need to plug it into a computer in order to turn on the reception for your phone. If you need more mobility, most cell phone companies allow you to add an additional line to your account for as little as sometimes $10 a month, and you can share the minutes given on your primary line. Internet. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that really your internet, it can be a tax-deductible expense, whether you work strictly from home or work on your home business from home during your spare time. It's highly unlikely that 100% of your internet use is strictly for work-related purposes. Therefore, you won't be able to deduct your internet bill in its entirety. Deduct your internet charges according to the percentage of your usage that is dedicated to your business use. Number 3, home office furniture and equipment. We're finding a lot of people are missing this. You can take deductions for your home office furniture and equipment designated for business use. Now, I'm going to give some examples, a number of examples. Desks, chairs, and other furniture. Filing cabinets, yes, those are still around, right? Computers and monitors, very important. Laptops, iPads, other smaller mobile devices. Printers, yep, still people use printers. Fax machines, those old things you probably don't know about because you're of the younger generation. Software or apps that are needed for your business where there is a charge. Number 4, maintenance and repairs. Any maintenance and repairs strictly for your home office, such as new carpet or paint in the office space, that's 100%, typically 100% tax deductible for your business. Number 5, believe it or not, this is going to blow you away. You might be missing this one. Child's allowance. Pay your children for keeping the home office tidy. Even a small child can dust the desk and the computer. It encourages responsibility in your children, and you get a tax deduction for what you pay them. Let older children help you keep your files, papers, and receipts organized. They can even enter your daily income and expenses, well, as long as they don't mess them up, into your bookkeeping software. If your child is under 17, you can employ them without paying Social Security on their wages. Think about that. There's some positive elements. I mean, you can help them grow and develop into a small business owner right off the bat. And there's tax advantages as a result. Now, these are just a small number of items, but these are really things to think about. Tax deductible home office expenses. We work with, well over 1,000, truly 2,000 entrepreneurs, and a lot of them are forgetting their tax deductible home office expense. Now, we do tax strategy really very rarely, or on a rare occasion, we'll do tax preparation work for our clients. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is we're trying to increase retirement income any way we can, legally and morally, for the business owner. And again, we're finding a lot of people are forgetting the tax non-deductible home office expenses. They're worth looking at. Think about it when you're going over your taxes. Hopefully you're going to be going over your taxes with your accountant versus them just saying April 15th is here. Here's your tax liability. Anyway, go over the home office expenses and the deductibility with your, let's say, CPA, EA, or whatever the case is, so you can make sure that all your deductions are taken care of. If you need any help, need us to work with your accountant, your CPA, we're here to help. Check us out on the web if you need any specifics, vastsolutionsgroup.com, or give us a call, 888-808-8278. And once again, my name is Kenneth French. It's indeed been a pleasure helping the entrepreneur in their daily plight against the obstacles that are before them.